Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh, how I miss those days, those good old days when we as cute little babies used to learn these rhymes. And remember how, after learning these rhymes by heart, we used to sing these rhymes amidst cheering thalis and amazing wah-wahs from mummy, daddy, uncle, auntie, grandma, grandpa and friends alike. Well, now that you have EuroKids Ultimate Guide for Nursery Rhymes, you can relive those golden moments with your little one. Of course, this time your child's going to take the center stage while you can sit back and enjoy your little champ's performance. The Ultimate Guide for Nursery Rhymes has been designed by EuroKids, the preschool specialist, in keeping with its philosophy of learning through fun. The Ultimate Guide for Nursery Rhymes is aimed at making the learning process of your child easy, enlightening and entertaining. Besides timeless classics, it also contains some lovely new age rhymes too, all set against the backdrop of foot-tapping original tracks set by Farooq Merchant and sung by the melody queen Purnima. Taking care of expressions, gestures and synchronization is noted Bollywood choreographer Habiba Rahman. So get ready to go back to school with your little one. Happy learning! Every child is special and very dear to God, and so are you. So let's begin with this very sweet rhyme, just to remind you that God has made you so special.
I am special, I am special. God made me, God made me. Someone very special, someone very special. As you can see, as you can see, God is near me, God is near me. He loves me, He loves me very, very dearly, very, very dearly, because I am special, very, very special.
We all say a silent prayer before eating, don't we? Well, here's one you can sing aloud.
Thank you, God, for the world so sweet, world so sweet, world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat, food we eat, food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing, birds that sing, birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything.
I have a foot-tapping rhyme to show you how to count from 1 to 5 on your fingers. So let's go! Tap, tap, tap!
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put it on your lap, lap, lap. Two little fingers, two little fingers, two little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them on your lap, lap, lap. Three little fingers, three little fingers, three little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them on your lap, lap, lap. Four little fingers, four little fingers, four little fingers, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them on your lap, lap, lap. Five little fingers, five little fingers.
up next is a classic rhyme that demonstrates the different parts of your body. Want to hear it? Well, I can hear someone saying yes, yes, yes. So here's it.
Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes.
Here's a poem that will make you wiggle and giggle and help you identify the different parts of your body in a fun way. So happy wiggling!
I wiggle my fingers, I wiggle my toes, I wiggle my shoulders, I wiggle my nose. Now that all the wiggles are out of me, I'm just as quiet as can be.
क्यों बच्चों, विगल करने में मजा आया ना? Do you want to have some more fun? तो चलो, let's hop, skip and jump with this playful rhyme.
Hey, hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Run a little, skip a little, tap your knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed.
Hey, आपको मिलने एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट आया है. Guess who? Mr. Chinny Chin. जाओ बच्चों, जल्दी जाओ, दरवाजा खोलो.
This is my house. Knock at the door. Peep in. Pull the latch. Walk in. Take a chair. Sit down there. Hello, Mr. Chinny Chin Chin. This is my house. Knock at the door. Peep in. Pull the latch. Walk in. Take a chair. Sit down there. Hello, Mr. Chinny Chin Chin.
Tell me, children, do you help your teacher pick up your toys after you finish playing with them? No? Well, better late than never. It's time to clean up with these two lovely rhymes.
It's time to clean up. It's time to clean up. Are you helping? Are you helping? It's time to clean up. Pick up the toys. Come on, pick up the toys. Let's all be helpers and pick up the toys. Girls and boys, girls and boys. Let's clean up today. So pick up the toys. We've had our fun today. We've had our fun today. Let's all be helpers and pick up the toys. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Put each toy back in its place. Keep a smile upon your face. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, time to clean up where you are. Time to clean up where you are.
Have you heard about Meenu? अरे, मीनू द मंकी, जिसे ज्यादा खाने की इतनी बैड हैबिट थी कि एक दिन मैडम ने उसे गार्डन से गेट आउट कर दिया.
Meenu the monkey? Yes, ma'am. You naughty little monkey. Yes, ma'am. You came to my garden. Yes, ma'am. You ate my bananas. Yes, ma'am. Meenu the monkey. Yes, ma'am. Go out of my garden. No, ma'am.
अरे अरे, डायनासोर्स तो अब इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे, तो फिर ये कौन चला रहा है? ओह, It's our friend, Mr. Elephant.
Elephant, elephant, fat and plump. He walks in the forest with a thump, thump, thump. His tail is short, his trunk is long. His eyes are small, but he's very, very strong.
अब मैं आपको जिसे मिलाने जा रही हूँ, वो है इतनी प्यारी, इतनी बेचारी कि जो भी उसे मिलता है कहता है अजी वाह वाह वाह। वो है
एक बिल्ली हमारी कैसे बैठी बेचारी लगे हमको है प्यारी। अजी वाह वाह वाह, अजी वाह वाह वाह। चुपके चुपके से जाती, झट से चूहा पकड़ती, वो तो कुत्ते से डरती। अजी वाह वाह वाह, अजी वाह वाह वाह। एक कुत्ता हमारा कैसे बैठा बेचारा लगे हमको है प्यारा। अजी वाह वाह वाह, अजी वाह वाह वाह। चुपके चुपके से जाता, झट से बिल्ली पकड़ता, वो तो डंडे से डरता। अजी वाह वाह वाह, अजी वाह वाह वाह।
Can you imagine how tasteless the world would be without milk, cream, butter and cheese? But thanks to the cow that we can relish all this. So let us all give a bow and say thank you to the cow.
I always say thank you when I see a cow. I always say thank you and give a low bow. For the cow gives us milk, cream, butter and cheese. And it's only polite to say thank you for all these. Thank you for all these.
We've met so many animals, but not even one bird. तो चलिए मिलते हैं एक ऐसे बर्ड से जो बात भी करता है, तो whistle मार के our very own मिट्ठू मिट्ठू।
Chit chat, chitter chatter, chitter chatter, peck 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 at those chilies. Hide, hide, hide in those leaves. Meet, 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 parrot, parrot, you are so sweet. Chit chat, chitter chatter, chitter chatter, peck 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 at those chilies. Hide, hide, hide in those leaves. Meet, 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 parrot, parrot, you are so sweet.
Boo! Only one bird? No, Baba. There are 2 more birds that you can meet. Quick, quick, before they fly away.
2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul.
While birds and animals drink water, मेरी एक फ्रेंड है जो पानी में ही रहती है। इनफैक्ट वो तो जल की रानी है।
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, वापस डालो तैर जाएगी। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ लगाओ डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो मर जाएगी, वापस डालो तैर जाएगी।
Now we'll meet a very dear friend of mine. He loves animals so much that he has a huge farm full of animals. He is my favorite, Lakshman Chacha.
Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere meow. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere neigh. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere oink oink. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there, here a chick, there a chick, everywhere chick chick. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a pow wow here and a pow wow there, here a pow, there a pow, everywhere pow wow. Lakshman Chacha had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
Have you heard of the army whose little soldiers go marching one by one, all along shouting, hurrah, hurrah? Hey, लगता है वो आर्मी यहीं पर आ रही है. चलिए, let's see.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all went marching down to the earth to get out of the rain. Hurrah!
Hey kids, be careful. There are insects all around.
Ladybugs and butterflies, buzzing bees up in the sky, teeny tiny little ants crawling up and down the plants. Many insects can be found in the sky and on the ground, in the sky and on the ground.
Do you know where the plants and flowers grow? Come, I'll take you there. But how do we go there? Let's catch a bus.
The wheels of the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of the bus go round and round, down the busy street. The horn of the bus goes bum bum bum, bum bum bum, bum bum bum. The horn of the bus goes bum bum bum, down the busy street. The bell of the bus goes ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling. The bell of the bus goes ting-a-ling-a-ling, down the busy street. The lights of the bus go off and on, off and on, off and on. The lights of the bus go off and on, down the busy street. The wipers of the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers of the bus go swish, 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 down the busy street. The people in the bus go bumpity bump, bumpity bump, bumpity bump. The people in the bus go bumpity bump, down the busy street. The mummies in the bus go ouch my toes, ouch my toes, ouch my toes. The mummies in the bus go ouch my toes, down the busy street. The daddies in the bus go shh, 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 shh. The daddies in the bus go shoo, 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 down the busy street. The babies in the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies in the bus go wah, 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 down the busy street. Conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 ticket. Conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 down the busy street. down the busy street. Yes, down the busy street.
I'm sure you enjoyed the bus ride. Now let's see what's happening inside the garden.
The gardener plants the seeds. The gardener plants the seeds. Hey ho, cheerio, the gardener plants the seeds. The rain begins to fall. The rain begins to fall. Hey ho, cheerio, the rain begins to fall. The sun begins to shine. The sun begins to shine. Hey ho, cheerio, the sun begins to shine. The plant begins to grow. The plant begins to grow. Hey ho, cheerio, the plant begins to grow. The buds all open up. The buds all open up. Hey ho, cheerio, the buds all open up. The flowers smile at me. The flowers smile at me. Hey ho, cheerio, the flowers smile at me. Hey ho, cheerio, the flowers smile at me. La 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 la.
Wondering how a tiny seed grows into a tall plant? Well, here's how.
I am a tiny seed sleeping, sleeping. I am a tiny seed sleeping all day long. I am the big sun shining, shining. I am the big sun shining all day long. I am the gardener watering, watering. I am the gardener watering all day long. Now we are growing, growing, growing. Now we are growing ever so tall. We can see over the garden wall.
Hey, who is that in the garden? I think I've seen him. Oh, it's my dear friend, Incy Wincy Spider. Come, let's go and meet him.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again.
Oh God, I'm so tired and hungry. Let's do some Pet Puja with some delicious fruits.
Wash the apple, wash the apple, wash the apple just now. Peel the apple, peel the apple, peel the apple just now. Cut the apple, cut the apple, cut the apple just now. Eat the apple, eat the apple, eat the apple just now. Peel the banana, peel the banana, peel the banana just now. Peel the banana, peel the banana, peel the banana just now. Cut the banana, cut the banana, cut the banana just now. Eat the banana, eat the banana, eat the banana just now. Wash the mango, wash the mango, wash the mango just now. Peel the mango, peel the mango, peel the mango just now. Cut the mango, cut the mango, cut the mango just now. Eat the mango, eat the mango, eat the mango just now. Wash the chiku, wash the chiku, wash the chiku just now. Peel the chiku, peel the chiku, peel the chiku just now. Cut the chiku, cut the chiku, cut the chiku just now. Eat the chiku, eat the chiku, eat the chiku just now. Wash the pear, wash the pear, wash the pear just now. Peel the pear, peel the pear, peel the pear just now. Cut the pear, cut the pear, cut the pear just now. Eat the pear, eat the pear, eat the pear just now.
I know you like fruits. But do you like veggies too?
I like veggies, I like veggies. Do you too? Do you too? I like peas and carrots, I like peas and carrots, and brinjals too. Brinjals too.
Vegetables are so good for you and me that we can eat them happily. So what are we waiting for? Let's have some good food. Yow!
Vegetables are good for me, E-I-E-I-O, and so I eat them happily, E-I-E-I-O. With a carrot here and a carrot there, carrot, carrot everywhere. Vegetables are good for me, E-I-E-I-O, and so I eat them happily, E-I-E-I-O. A potato here, a potato there, potato, potato everywhere. Vegetables are good for me, E-I-E-I-O, and so I eat them happily, E-I-E-I-O. A tomato here, a tomato there, tomato, tomato everywhere. Vegetables are good for me, E-I-E-I-O.
Pitter patter, pitter patter. Run! Here comes the rain.
Pitter patter, down comes the rain. As it gushes down the lane, boom goes the thunder. Whoosh goes the breeze. Don't step into the puddle or you'll sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Achoo!
Achoo! देखा? अम्ब्रेला के बिना बारिश में जाने से क्या होता है? You should always carry an umbrella so that the rain never falls on you. But what about the green grass, the tree, and the housetop?
Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me, but not on me, hey, not on me. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me, but not on me, hey, not on me.
जब भी बरसात आती है, एक क्यूट से मेहमान को अपने साथ लाती है. And once he goes hop, 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 he simply does not stop. He is Flippy the Frog.
I'm Flippy the Frog and I live in a pond. I go hop, 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 and I never, never stop. I never, never stop. I'm Flippy the Frog and I live in a pond. I go hop, 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 and I never, never stop. I never, never stop.
So who do you love the most? Mama, Papa, Grandma, or Grandpa? Well, here's a love song you can sing for all of them.
Hey, skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo. I love you, I love you. I love you in the morning as in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. So skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo, skinnamarink-a-dinky-doo. I love you, I love you.
Feeling tired? Come, I'll take you to my little house.
Come and see my little house. We have a cat and a little white mouse, a chair, a table, a cupboard, and a nice soft bed to sleep on too. I love my cat and my little white mouse. I'm happy in my little house.
पता है आपको काउंटिंग सिखाने के लिए घर पे कौन आया है?
धोबी आया, धोबी आया, कपड़े साफ, कितने कपड़े लाया, कितने कपड़े लाया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस। पोस्टमैन आया, पोस्टमैन आया, चिट्ठी साथ, कितनी चिट्ठी लाया, कितनी चिट्ठी लाया। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस। सब्जी वाला आया, सब्जी वाला आया, सब्जी साथ, कितनी सब्जी लाया, कितनी सब्जी लाया। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस।
It's time to say goodbye. But don't worry. जब भी आपका इस म्यूजिकल जर्नी पे दोबारा जाने का मन करे, just play the CD and we'll rock and roll.